So it was a good sleep. Now it's time for a good breakfast, and we're going to do it in a good way. Something a little unique. So, are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Good morning, folks. We are going to do something a little bit different, a little bit unique for breakfast this morning. I am not going to cook in my RV. I'm not going to go someplace in my RV to eat breakfast. I am going to eat breakfast outside. Well, I'm probably going to eat breakfast inside, but I'm going to cook it outside. A few years back, when I was car camping, I picked up a Char-Griller Flat iron griddle, and I actually really loved it, but I haven't used it in a long time, so I brought it with me this time, decided that we're going to do it outside, cook outside, and then have a great morning feast. Now, the key to making sure everything works perfectly outside is doing your mise en place prior. So I did some of it at home. We're going to do a little bit of it here. And then we are going to do what I'm calling an all-star breakfast, kind of the thing you might get at Waffle House or Denny's or someplace like that. It's going to have an egg hash scramble with some cheese in it. We're going to have some bacon as well. There will be some sausage in that too. And then we will also have some pancakes that we will do on the grill as well. So first things first, we've got to get everything prepped. We've got to get the grill out and set up so that we can use it. And then we're going to have a feast. So the grill is all set up. We'll get that started here in a little bit. We want to heat that up. We'll put some oil on that and get that ready to start cooking. Now it's time to assemble and get ready all of the mise en place that we're going to use for this breakfast. Okay, the mise en place is done. I've got some onions and some peppers already chopped up. I have the hash browns ready to go. So now, and I also have my pancake batter already made. Did that at home as well. So now it's time to turn on that griddle and get that thing fired up and start cooking all of this. The bacon is almost done. Once it is finished, we'll take it off and let it cool for a little bit. We'll put on our sausage and then our hash browns and start getting that all cooked up. So the base of the hash is pretty much done. Next, we're gonna add in some eggs, and then once those eggs are incorporated, we'll add in some cheese, and that'll basically be it for the hash part. Then we'll clean off the griddle and get it ready for some pancakes. Hash is done. Now time to try and do these pancakes. Okay, it's been a little while since I've actually used my Char-Griller, and one of the things I noticed is I have to really balance the edge a little bit more to have it more level. I think this will work for today, but next time out, I'm definitely going to level this thing a little bit better. So the pancakes are what they are. The hash is done. It's now time to make some coffee, plate everything up, and eat this bad boy. We're gonna do it inside. And voila, there you have it, my all-star breakfast. I've got my egg hash, I've got some bacon, some pancakes, got my coffee, and my juice water. Let's taste it. That is very good. And pancakes. Excellent as well. I may have struggled a little bit on the grill, but I'm gonna get better at it. Haven't used it in a while, so it's a little rusty, but they taste absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link to how you do all of this, recipe link in the description below, and maybe next time you're out, you'll try something like this and have yourself an award-winning breakfast. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can always follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun on the road, whether it's breakfast, dinner, or lunch. You know my motto, there's no need to eat poorly when you're on the road. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.